Top 5 healthy breakfast. The old saying that breakfast is the most important meal of the day is often debated by health experts, but research overwhelming support eating a well-balanced breakfast. What you eat at breakfast can affect your entire day. Breakfast eaters get two main benefits: increased energy and reduced cravings. Here are 5 of the best healthy breakfasts to eat. 1. Baked sweet potato with peanut butter and sliced apples or raisins. This is especially important for active people and can be a great way to fuel morning workouts. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, vitamin A, fiber, and many other important nutrients. When paired with the healthy fat and protein from nut butter and the extra fiber in the apple, you have a well-balanced breakfast. 2. Overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Oats are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that promote good digestion, speedy energy, and healthy cholesterol. Chia seeds add healthy fat, protein, and even more fiber, and the berries or any fruit really contributes to your total fruit intake. Overnight oats are great for busy mornings because you can make them the night before and just grab and go when you wake up. 3. Lentil breakfast ball. Though they may not seem like a typical breakfast food, lentils can make a great base for a savory breakfast. Lentils provide high quality plant-based protein and essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also incredibly versatile, easy to cook, and a healthy and satisfying choice to power you through until lunch. Lentil sausage breakfast ball for an easy, delicious breakfast that will keep you satisfied until lunch. 4. Quinoa breakfast ball. It can be a great substitute for oats when you want to mix it up. Quinoa is a good source of fiber, iron, and protein and helps keep you feeling fuller longer. It's a versatile grain that can be seasoned with ginger, vanilla, cinnamon, or other spices. Andrews recommends pairing it with citrus or berries, which contain vitamin C and enhance iron absorption. 5. Savory oatmeal bowl. Oats are a great choice for a healthy breakfast. They contain soluble fiber which can help regulate your blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and keep you full longer than other cereals. Going the savory route lends itself to more vegetable at breakfast, which can help you reach the recommended 2 or 3 cups of vegetables per day. Gagnon likes to add sweet potatoes, spinach, and roasted pepitas for a balanced option. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.